So, we have an interesting story to tell you guys about last night, don't we?
Yeah.
So we were watching Breaking Bad. Yes, we're late on that, but at least we started, and it's awesome. And suddenly the doorbell rang, and it was, what time was it?
10:30.
Yeah, it was 10:30, and we don't know anyone here yet, obviously, because we just moved. So we didn't open the door, we didn't make any sound, we just ignored the fact that they were there.
I suppose
So,
I pretend you're at home.
yeah, I just said, just pretend we're not home.
But they were pretty persistent.
Yeah, that was the problem. They stayed for like
10 minutes.
10 minutes. No, they stayed for like
5 to 10.
Yeah. They stayed for ages. That's the point. And we couldn't really hear what they were saying, and we weren't even sure if it was Dutch or English, and we weren't sure of anything, so we just decided to ignore it. And eventually they left, and
And then we decided to, finish the series, the episode. But then, like 20 minutes later, they rang again.
no.
Yeah.
20 minutes? Well, yeah, okay, 20 minutes.
They
Came back.
Yeah, and we're like, okay, well now it's 11. So what are these people doing? But
Yeah, but eventually I heard one of them say,
yeah, they said my name.
yeah, exactly. They said Ramen's
So-
name, and I was like, wait a minute. Wait, we skipped a part. We forgot to say that we put a lot of chairs in front of the door, which sounds ridiculous, but the problem is our landlord hasn't changed the keys yet, the locks.
Didn't change the lock yet.
He's
Not sure how many people actually have the key.
Yeah.
He's like, well, I don't even know how many people have the key, so, I'll change the lock.
Eventually.
Didn't do it yet.
He hasn't done it yet. So,
We were initially afraid that there were people that thought the original owner was still there, that still lived here. Am I doing it wrong? Okay. Well, so we were afraid that the people thought the original owners were still living here, and then they would maybe use the key to get in the house. So we barricaded the entire door, just to be sure.
yeah, but anyways, they came back, and I heard one of them say Ramen's name, and then Ramen thought, hey,
Maybe it's my friend.
maybe it's my friend. Let's check my phone. And they sent him one message saying, open the door.
No, they sent the message after I said check the door. Check my phone. They sent it after. I held it, didn't have any messages, and like 5 seconds later I got the message. And they were like, oh, open the door, open the door. So apparently it were my friends that decided to just drop by in the middle of the night.
Scary situation. It was ridiculous because they drove here, which took them about an hour because all our friends live an hour away, which is why we didn't open the door because no one here.
We don't know anyone.
Yeah, we don't know anyone here, so who could possibly ring our doorbell at 11 at night?
So we were like, well, if you would have called or something, you would have,
Yeah,
gotten
we
it.
would've-
We opened the door like hours ago.
But they wanted it to be a surprise, and that's why they didn't call. Which, if they thought about it, they may have been able to understand that that's not an ideal situation for us.
After 10.
Yeah, but we have a different problem.
We can't see who's in front of the door.
And we don't have a peek hole or whatever that's called.
Peek hole, I don't know. Well, we don't have one of those holes they can look through. So we have no clue who's in front of the door. We have no windows that, if you look through them, you can see the door. We have none of those. So we have absolutely no clue how many people or who are in front of our doors. So that was the problem. So we were like, oh my god, scary people. But it was my friends. It was scary people after all.
They were his friends.
Scary people after all, but not the scary people I expected. So yeah, that was it.
I put it on 8 or 7, depending on which degrees it is. And the washing machine automatically changes it. And it always stops at 3, which is what you're supposed to use when you wash it at 60 degrees, which I'm not doing. It's really annoying. What is it doing? This round circle right here is called the spin cycle, and it causes it to drain and spin. I did not put it on that, as you guys saw before. It automatically put itself on it. I don't like it. I don't approve. All these things just cause it to take 3 entire hours for the wash to be finished, which I can imagine costs a lot of energy and water, and I do not approve. Don't know what to do about it though, because it has a mind of its own, and I do not approve. I do not approve. I don't want a spin cycle. I don't. I'm gonna stop reset it. That interrupts and cancels the selected program. Because I think it's pretty much done right now. It's been in there for like ever. So I managed to get the washing machine to stop, and yeah. I do admit the spinning did make it dry, but it does what it says it does, but I didn't want that setting, so I still don't agree with it suddenly doing it without me putting it on it, so yeah. That's great.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm filming.
What's the problem then?
What's the problem? Well,
Wait, you said it went on a different setting.
it did. I'll show
Oh,
you.
does the knob like turn or something?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like haunted.
It's haunted. It's haunted.
We have a haunted washing machine.
Washing machine.
Yeah, whatever.
We have an haunted washing machine. Beat that. The house here isn't haunted, but the washing machine is.
No.
Oh my god.
What?
It really is. It actually turned the litter box, so now George can't get in it. Oh no.
It's haunted.
Oh no, that's really sad. What if we didn't notice that? Boys and their toys. What are you making, babe?
I'm making a model car.
Wow. Specific much? What are you making?
Chevrolet Corvette.
I would never have patience for this.
I'm just really scared I'll glue on the robot.
I'll laugh at you if you do.
We'll have to buy a new one if I do.
I'm not buying anything then.
So it seems about right.
Look at his concentrated face.
I'm ruining it, huh?
I'm ruining it. Uh-oh.
Alright guys, So we're cooking. And this is Isabel's trick not to cry when she's cutting onions.
It works, though.
Does it?
Mm.
Does it really work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I'm helping her with the rice and everything. You want me to cut them?
Where are we?
We are at the Stimpa Jazz Festival.
Yep.
I don't even know.
Pretty cool.
I don't even know if you can hear us. Probably you can.
Probably they can. But our conclusion so far has been a lot of food and not much
Jazz. You found music.
It's very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that you adore and love. It's more that I can give to you. I said love is more than just a gift for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love that was made for me and you.
That was fun.
Yeah.
We agree it was fun. Now we're going to the cinema to see Mission Impossible.
Are we?
Yeah,
She never tells me what film we're going until the last moment.
I told you we were going to see Mission Impossible.
You have not mentioned the word Mission Impossible.
Okay, he didn't know we were going to see Mission Impossible, but we are. And I didn't tell him that, but
She always tells me we're going to the cinema. And I'm like, okay. But I don't ask what film because I always just, see.
He doesn't care.
Most of the time it's just girly movies. So
It's not my fault though. Most movies that come out are girly movies. And he doesn't like stuff like Pixels, and I'm so happy he doesn't, because that would be like my worst nightmare. You don't, right?
no.
See?
First I was interested, I was like, and then I saw the trailer, I was like, never mind. Not gonna see that.
Yep.
So where are we gonna park our cars?
Robin still wish we had cars. Ah, what are we doing? I was gonna... Ah, okay.
So Isabel was mistaken in the time, and our movie started 3 quarters.
3/4 of an hour.
Yeah, 3/4 of an hour ago. So we're not gonna see the film today.
We're gonna see it tomorrow. I thought it started at 9, but it started at 8. My bad though.
So we'll see it tomorrow at 8. Okay.
Yep. Doesn't matter. He doesn't mind. You don't mind, right?
No.
I never made this mistake before. So much for watching TV.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on.
Way too dark here.
Oh, well, I don't know what's going on, but I think the signal's been messed up. I'm not sure if it's on our part or if it's the provider that's messing up.